Thank you for purchasing Jungle Jim's 1TR Trimmer Rack. This video is to serve as a visual reference to the instruction manual provided. First, you will want to unpackage all pieces and parts and organize and take inventory to be sure that the package is complete. Use this guide in the manual as a reference to the number of pieces you should have. Also, refer to this completed assembly diagram, also in the manual. If missing hardware or parts, please contact Jungle Jim's. Let's get started. Position the poles on the trailer that best accommodates your trimmer so that it is positioned securely. Please note, the locking pole must be installed to the right of the compression pole. Once a suitable location is found, mark and drill two 11mm holes through the top of the trailer rail to mount the locking pole. Mount the locking pole to the trailer with 2 carriage bolts and 2 hex flange nuts provided. Position the compression pole on the trailer to the left of the locking pole. Mark and drill 2 11mm holes through the top of the trailer rail to mount the compression pole. Mount the compression pole to the trailer with 2 carriage bolts and 2 hex flange nuts provided. Place the trimmer in the rack by putting the trimmer end of the shaft into the hook on the compression pole. Lift the engine end of the trimmer up and into the hook on the locking pole. The trimmer should be positioned so that the handle is resting in the hook on the engine end. Be sure to place your trimmer in the rack as shown here to avoid placing on the throttle trigger. To help prevent your trimmer from spinning, the compression pin must be adjusted properly. Remove the trimmer from the rack. Use a marker and make a mark on the pin and a lining mark on the pole as shown. Make another mark on the pole 1/8 of an inch below the first one. Carefully loosen the bolt securing the compression pin and slide the pin down until the mark on the pin lines up with the lower mark on the pole. Tighten the bolt holding the pin securely. Place the trimmer in the rack and test to see that the rack keeps the trimmer from rotating easily. If it does not, readjust the compression pin down in 1/16 of an inch increments until the rack holds the trimmer firmly. All of Jungle Jim's trailer trimmer racks provide locking capabilities. Simply slide your padlock through the designated holes for quick and effective theft prevention. Thank you for your purchase, and please contact us if you have any questions.